Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play yourself on chess. Calm. The primary method is using the analysis board. Simply navigate to the Learn section on the Chess Calm website and choose Analysis. This powerful tool lets you control both sides of the game, offering a unique way to study chess. It's perfect for exploring new openings and testing out different strategic ideas without any pressure. Once on the analysis board, you can freely move pieces for both white and black. To gain a full understanding of the position, remember to use the flip board option. This allows you to see the game from each player's perspective, which is incredibly valuable for learning. For a truly unbiased practice session, you can also disable any computer assistance, such as the evaluation bar. If you prefer to play on a mobile device, the Chess Calm app offers a pass and play feature. To access it, tap New Game from your home screen, then select More, and finally choose Pass and Play. This option is specifically designed for two players sharing one device, making it perfect for playing against yourself on the go. You can customize your game settings before starting. Playing against yourself offers numerous benefits for improving your chess game. It allows you to deepen your understanding of opening theory and tactical patterns. By analyzing positions from both white and black perspectives, you develop a more comprehensive view of the game. Plus, you can experiment with new strategies and ideas without the pressure of affecting your online rating, making it a fantastic learning tool.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.